How can this dip have no name? Maybe that's the magic. It's so good it defies labels. Call it whatever you want. One bite and you'll get it. It's the wow dip. This dip is ridiculously easy to make, but bold enough that it will steal the show at any gathering. Or you may just want to make a bowl for yourself, cuddle up down at the TV, and binge watch your favorite TV show. You'll be double dipping before you know it. Guys, I know you're going to love this dip. And when you do, you hit that thumbs up. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. I hope you'll hit subscribe and hit those notifications so that you get all of our recipes when they post. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And I hope you'll make this one in your home. Now let me dip over here and show you how to put this one together. To start this no-name dip, or whatever you want to call it dip, you need 2 green onions. And we're going to be using all of the tops and some of the bottoms. And guys, this is going to be a quickie recipe. So I know most of you out there like quickies. So just chop this up very small. That's all done. And that is about as hard as this recipe is going to get. You're going to next need 16 ounces of sour cream. I've just put this over in my mixing cup. Just makes it so much easier to pull together. You will need 2 ounces of bacon bits. Now, you can use your own bacon, fry that stuff up in the morning, but I'm going to take the shortcut. I'm using these real bacon bits. I don't particularly like the ones that are artificial. You'll also need to get a 30 cup, maybe half cup. I don't even know what it is. Let me check. Okay, guys, this is a half a cup of cheddar cheese. I am using a sharp cheddar. You can use any type of cheese that you want to. Remember, this is a no-name dip, so you can make it your own. Call it whatever you want to. Put any kind of cheese in there that you want to. Next, we're going to add 1 package of the ranch seasoning mix. Now, this is the one that you use to make your dressing with. I love it to make dressing with. Making dip today, though. No name. Okay, we're going to give it a name, though, before this is over. And now we're going to add those onions. We're not going to add all of these. We're going to add almost all of them. We need some of them on the top. Now just give it a quick stir. How easy was that? I told you we were going to have a quickie today. Y'all didn't even get satisfied, did you? I know I did. But I'm going to just as soon as I get this stirred up. You'll want to stir this until everything is mixed in there good. And then you're going to put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. After at least an hour, add your dip to your favorite dip bowl. Top it with a little bit more of those bacon bits and those green onions. Look at how beautiful that is. I would not be ashamed serving that, okay? You can serve this with just dips. You can serve it with just chips. It would be excellent on baked potatoes. That would be so yummy. It'd be like a everything baked potato. I'm serving this one on a charcuterie board. That word's so hard for me. I just call it a cooter platter, and my man comes running. We like to bring a little bit of smoke to our dip on our cooter platter. So I'm going to add a little bit of smoked paprika. This will also bring a lot of color to that dip. It's beautiful. This no-name dip needs a name. I'm going to call it Wow Dip. That's what people will say with the first bite. Only 4 ingredients. No cooking. Just creamy, cheesy, bacon-loaded goodness in every scoop. Y'all go make you some too. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit those notifications. This one has been a fun one. You guys take care, and God bless. That's good. I'm going to call mine Bacon Be Crazy.